Hello and welcome. I hope this small segment gives you a better idea of the flexibility the web app allows you to make changes in the player grid. The Viper web app has a significantly improved interface for making changes. It allows player movements, additions, and deletions to be made quickly and easily in both the down grid and the across grid. At the right edge of each active player name cell is a blue arrow. Clicking and dragging this arrow allows you to move a player to any other group in the grid. This will insert the player at that T or time, so remember that if you want all group sizes to remain the same, you'll need to drag one of the players from the new T or time back into the old T or time. If a cell is gray, this cell is inactive and you won't be able to drop a player onto that cell. Always drop a player on an active cell that contains a blue arrow. It will insert it at that T or time and you can swap the player names if needed once the group is set.